Hi, I'm Susie Sivkov. I've been a notary for more than 10 years, and I'm here to help you learn how to become a Notary Public in Alabama. Before we dive in, let's briefly go over what notaries do and why the state requires them to complete the application process outlined in this video. Notaries are responsible for verifying a person's identity, confirming they're aware of what they plan to sign, and that they're not being pressured to sign on that dotted line. Because a notary's role is to protect the public, you'll need to meet a few requirements before starting the Alabama application process. You must be 18 or older, be a resident in the county where you are applying, and you can't have disqualifying offenses on your record unless your rights have been restored. Now let's go over the important steps to become an Alabama notary. First, you must complete an application and get a $25,000 surety bond. Then submit the application and bond to your county's probate judge. Application fees vary by county, and some counties may require you to take a notary training course or pass an exam. You can contact your local probate judge for more information about the specific requirements in your area. Once you've been appointed as a notary, the judge will report your name, your county of residence, and your commission's date of issuance and expiration to the Alabama Secretary of State. Finally, you must buy your official notary stamp or embosser in order to provide notarization services. Although it's not required in the state of Alabama, using a journal to keep track of your work is considered a best practice. If you do use a journal, it must be permanently bound and have numbered pages. These tools lend trust to the transaction. They help protect the public, and they help protect you if any of your notarizations are questioned. You can view additional information about the Alabama commissioning process by clicking the link in this video's description. There are a lot of optional supplies to help you carry out your day-to-day notary work as well. Consider using an up-to-date guidebook that shows you the security features to look for when you check a signer's ID. And if you don't have one yet, you might want to get a carry case that locks so you can keep your supplies secure. Now let's talk a little bit about notary errors and omissions insurance. It's completely optional, but it's something you should seriously consider. While notaries should make every effort to avoid mistakes, if an error is made, having an E&O policy protects you as the notary. It's an inexpensive way to give yourself peace of mind. If you'd like to learn more about becoming an Alabama notary, click the link in the description below. Are you ready to become a notary? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Alabama.